what's up everybody? So today I'm going to talk about how you can get rid of your slow eBay sales in 2019. Something that I just figured out is, and it's something that I've been hearing a lot of, is how much eBay likes constant activity on your account. So something that I noticed recently is I've had about 250 items up. I haven't listed anything for like a few months actually, and recently I haven't sold a single thing, and I probably haven't sold anything, maybe like one item last week, which isn't very good at all. But I recently took some pictures for some eBay items and that I was going to list, and then I actually only listed one item, and then the very next day I sold 4 items, and that can't just be a coincidence. Like, I listed one item and I sold 4 just because it's really just because eBay sees your account and that you're active, in that you're like putting effort into your business, so they're gonna pay you back by putting you higher on search results. And that's really what it is they're just putting you higher on search results based on your activity on your account. So if you really want this to help you, there's a few things you can do, and one of them is just listing every single day. But if you don't have the time for that, I would just start doing auctions. Not like on all of your items, but I would take, if you have like 20 items to list, I would probably take like 5 or 10 of them and list them in a staggered auction end times. So I would list a couple ending in a day, a couple ending in 3 days, a couple ending in 5 days, and a couple ending in 7 days. And that just ensures that you're going to have activity on your account every couple days.